Hey there, photography enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the world of full-frame mirrorless photography with the Nikon Z5. Join us as we explore the features and capabilities of this powerful camera designed to unlock your creative potential. Before we dive into the review, if you're passionate about photography and want to stay updated with the latest gear reviews and photography tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and turn on notifications. The Nikon Z5 is a full-frame mirrorless camera that combines impressive image quality with the versatility and portability of mirrorless technology. With a 24.3 megapixel sensor and the powerful X-Speed 6 image processor, the Z5 delivers stunning images with rich detail and vibrant colors. Its lightweight and compact design make it the perfect companion for both travel and everyday photography. The Z5 features Nikon's renowned Z-mount system, which allows for compatibility with a wide range of high-quality lenses, providing photographers with endless creative possibilities. Its 5-axis in-body image stabilization (IBIS) system ensures sharp and steady images, even in low-light conditions or when using telephoto lenses. The camera's 273-point hybrid autofocus (AF) system offers fast and accurate focusing, whether you're capturing stills or recording video. With 4K UHD video recording capabilities and advanced video features such as time-lapse and slow motion, the Z5 is a versatile tool for videographers as well as photographers. The Z5's 24.3 megapixel sensor may not offer the same level of resolution as some competing models, which could be a consideration for photographers who require extremely high-resolution images for large prints or extensive cropping. While the Z5's battery life is respectable, some users may find it falls short compared to other mirrorless cameras, especially when shooting in demanding conditions or recording video extensively. The absence of a top-panel LCD screen may be a drawback for photographers who rely on quick access to settings and shooting information, without having to look through the electronic viewfinder or rear LCD screen. In conclusion, the Nikon Z5 is a versatile and capable camera that offers excellent image quality, robust performance, and a user-friendly interface. Whether you're a beginner looking to step up your photography game or a seasoned enthusiast seeking a reliable tool for your creative endeavors, the Z5 is sure to impress. Thank you for joining us for this review of the Nikon Z5. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Until next time, happy shooting and keep exploring the world through your lens. See you in the next video.